Welcome back on the 7th Global Family Office Investment Summit in Dubai. The Family Office hosted by Retossa Family Office Summit. Here we are with Oliver Gilly, Managing Partner of Black Tulip Asset Management. Thank you for joining us, Oliver. Let's talk about the summit. What did you find here, Oliver? Did you find the quality you were looking for? Investors, new ideas, challenging ideas maybe?
Yes, thank you. I think the most important thing about this summit for me has been the people that I've met and spoken to, that we've had dinners, we've had cocktail receptions, wonderful panel sessions, topics to talk about, so from all over the world, and that's exactly what I was looking for this summit, so I've very much enjoyed it.
Oliver, now things are running fast, so how fast are changing things in the world of family office? If I'm not wrong, you worked for family office.
Yes, certainly I worked for a family office in Hong Kong for a number of years, and also worked for my own family in Australia. The world is changing very quickly in terms of technology, translating into investment opportunities, really very quickly indeed. But I think that human relations are the most important thing, and one-on-one meetings will always beat Skype or telephone calls.
Oliver, let's share with us your own opinion, your idea of the private sector momentum.
I think more and more with modern technology, the family offices in the private sector have their own proprietary deal flow, which they can source, manage and execute themselves, whereas previously they would have had to use service providers like investment banks, which they no longer need because the human capital is within the family office itself.
Oliver, what I hear for the markets at the end of the year, we are looking at a little bear market. We saw again volatility. Which is your opinion over the markets and maybe what's next?
Yeah, I think US equities in particular, which were leading the markets, were overvalued. I think there's been a sensible correction and it's been good in terms of handling the volatility. So I think next year will be about consolidation and also about private capital, in particular structured alternative investments and alternative assets.
Let's remain on the US market because you perceive the global appetite for dollar assets. Something gonna change right now with central bank tightening is policy. On December they will probably cut rates.
Yes, I think so, but I don't think it'll be aggressive. I think it'll be 25 basis points at most. So we'll see what happens, but as there's already been a correction, I think the volatility will be relatively stable. Yeah.
Oliver, let's move towards your company, Black Tulip Asset Management. Maybe you were inspired by Alexandre Dumas' novel, so are you looking forward to something new, something strange maybe?
Yes, thank you. We're taking advantage of a securitization platform to offer structured alternative bonds and alternative investments to the global market to invest into movies in Hollywood and top-end production in Hollywood. So we're giving a little piece of Hollywood to the global market in what was previously a very rarefied sector.
Yeah. So let's talk about which are your main objectives in terms of returns, in terms of achievements maybe.
I think the people that we work with in Hollywood are very experienced producers who consistently achieve returns in excess of 35%, and we want to give that to our investors.
And then, Oliver, you have just introduced your own bond platform. You have presented here this bond platform. Let's share with us all its characteristics and all its details.
Yes, thank you. We have done Black Tulip Rebel Way Entertainment ETP1, which is listed on the Paris Stock Exchange. It's a $50 million bond, and we're listing Black Tulip Empire Media 1 in 2 weeks, which is a $75 million bond. And this is for top-end production companies in Los Angeles who have made films previously, such as The Revenant with Leonardo DiCaprio and American Made with Tom Cruise. So it's really the top end of the market. And for me, it's lucky from a marketing point of view because the producers put together a video presentation for me that I could put on stage so I don't have to speak.
Yeah, you did it well. And Oliver, we are going to end our interview, but which is your way to mix tradition and innovation? Because today we saw in these 2 days, we saw really new disruptive ideas, but also traditional investment ways. Which is your way to mix it?
I think really the focus should be on one-on-one human capital and relationships, but using technology in the best way with using values on the technology rather than just using technology for the sake of it. Yeah.
Oliver, we called it the summit the place to be, because we really enjoyed this time and we really saw you and all the investors, the delegates here in Dubai enjoy this summit. What did you find here? What are you looking for maybe in the last few minutes, in the last few hours here in Dubai?
Oh, it's been great. The people I've met, absolutely lovely people. Some may invest, some may not, but you know, it's been great to meet them anyway, and I look forward to the next one, where we can come and do another video presentation and meet with the same types of people.
Yeah, maybe the next one will be again in Monte Carlo, maybe in June, and so we will maybe enjoy again the Global Family Office Investment Summit. Thank you to Oliver Gilly, managing partner Black Tulip Asset Management, for joining us, and good luck for your blonde experience and so on.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.